All right, today we're jumping into something absolutely critical, a whole new way to think about security training in the age of AI. Let's be honest, the old ways of doing things, they just aren't cutting it anymore. So we're going to break down a modern approach that can actually keep up with the threats we're all facing right now.
Now, before we get into the thick of it, just a quick heads up on where this info is from. What you're about to see is part 4 of a massive 20-part report from Virtualization Options LLC. The full thing is a deep dive on setting up an ongoing AI training program. We're just scratching the surface here, so this overview doesn't come with any warranty. If you really want to dig in, we definitely suggest contacting them directly.
So, here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about the problem, this huge security gap that's opening up. Then, we'll look at the new paradigm that can fix it. After that, we'll cover how to lay the groundwork, the tech that makes it all run, and finish up with the real magic, the advantage of just-in-time learning.
Okay, let's dive right in. To really get what's going on, we first have to understand the core problem that, frankly, a lot of organizations are struggling with. It's kind of like bringing yesterday's tools to a fight that's happening tomorrow.
This really is the million-dollar question, isn't it? For so long, that once-a-year, check-the-box security training was, well, it was the standard. But as you're about to see, the world has changed so dramatically that this whole approach is not just a little outdated, it's become dangerously ineffective.
And this right here perfectly shows the massive disconnect. On one hand, you have that static, annual training that's always looking in the rearview mirror. But on the other hand, you've got this AI threat landscape that is just accelerating like crazy. AI has made it so easy that attacks that used to take serious skill, creating a convincing deepfake video or cloning a CEO's voice, are now available to just about anyone. A yearly PowerPoint session just has no chance of keeping up with that. So if the old model is completely broken, what does the new one even look like? And it's not just about doing the same old training more often. No, this is about a fundamental shift in how we even think about security awareness.
And the data on this is just wow. The source report points out that companies who switch from that annual-only training to a program of ongoing awareness see up to 60% fewer security incidents. 60%! That is a huge drop. It proves this continuous learning idea isn't just a nice theory. It actually works.
And here's the solution in a nutshell. We have to stop thinking about training as a single event and start building a learning ecosystem. The magic words here are every employee, right information, and right time. It means the training is personal, it's dynamic, and it's constantly being updated, just like the threats it's built to defend against.
Okay, this all sounds great, but how do you actually build it? An ecosystem this powerful needs a really solid foundation. You can't just flip a switch and hope for the best. It takes a real strategy.
The very first thing you have to do is what's called a training gap audit. Basically, you need to figure out exactly where you are today. You take inventory of all your training materials, you map them to the threats they're supposed to cover, and you check how old they are. Anything over a year old, it's probably obsolete and needs to be replaced. What you get at the end is a crystal clear picture of the gap between what your people know and what they need to know to fight today's AI threats.
And once you know your gaps, you can build a curriculum that's actually relevant. And we're talking about way more than just how to spot a phishing email. We mean meaty topics, like data privacy laws like GDPR, the serious risks of bias in AI algorithms, and navigating huge new rules like the EU AI Act. It also means getting your tech teams up to speed on wild new stuff like AI-powered malware that can literally rewrite its own code to stay hidden.
Now, of course, the strategy, this dynamic needs the right technology to make it go. You have to have an architecture that can take in all this new information and get it to the right people in a way that actually works.
So the report suggests this really clever idea, a 3-notebook architecture, maybe using a tool like Google's Notebook LM. Think of it like this. The master notebook is like the central brain, constantly pulling in the latest threat intel from places like CISA and MITRE. Then you have role-specific notebooks that take that intel and mix it with information for specific teams, like FINRA updates for the finance department. And finally, the policy notebook has all your internal company rules. It's a system for turning chaos into focused, actionable intelligence.
And this entire structure, this whole architecture, it all leads to the ultimate goal, getting the right knowledge to the right person right at the moment they need it most. This is what we call the just-in-time advantage. The engine that makes this all possible is a really smart tagging system. Every single piece of content, whether it's an alert, a quick video, a policy update, it gets tagged. Who is this for? Is it for marketing or engineering? What kind of threat is it? How urgent is it? This lets the system find and deliver the perfect piece of information to the right person at the perfect time.
And here's where you see the real power. Imagine a brand new, zero-day vulnerability is found in an AI tool everyone uses. With this system, you can send out what's called a Tier 1 critical alert. This isn't some long, boring email people will just ignore. It's a super short, action-focused message, blasted out across every channel, email, Slack, even text messages, with one clear, simple thing for everyone to do right now. That is how you defend at the speed of AI.
And that kind of leaves us with one final big question. We're living in a world where attackers are using AI to cook up new threats every single day. So our defenses and our training have to evolve just as fast. The old annual program is a relic. The future is all about the continuous learning ecosystem. So you have to ask yourself, is your organization ready for a threat that was invented just this morning?